Gimbal SP5, the monitor for your phone, selfie monitor for your phone. What's the use of it? How you do that? How you use it? And why do you need it? Well, I'm going to tell you everything about it right now. Stay tuned. Here we go. The Gimbal CP5 phone selfie monitor. In the box we have, here we go, reveal time. Oh, look at that, very nice and shiny. Monitor itself. Let's remove it without damaging it. There we go. So that's the monitor itself. It's protected by this little plastic tab, plastic film. I will remove that in the last moment, otherwise fingerprint will be all over it. But that's how it looks like. So here we do have 3.5mm jack port for headset. Here we do have some battery status LED, USB-C 5V here for power, and here we have the micro SD card slot. And as you can see, already installed in the device, they give us a micro SD card which is up 16 GB. Otherwise, here on the side we have some button, power button here, we have a camera symbol button here, and then a flip button to orientate differently the screen orientation button. And here we do have a reset hole to reset the device in case of any issue. And that's pretty much all. Here we have the cover for the antenna. It uses Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so there is an antenna on the top here. And then we have this nice silver case here with the brand in the back and the model on the bottom, and that's pretty much it for the device itself. Let's see what else in the box. We do have the user manual. Nice explained with picture like that. If you want, you have some QR code to scan to get the e-manual and go to their website. And now we have USB-C to USB-C cable and the remote control to take picture remotely. So here we go, we have to pair that with the phone, but then we can take picture remotely or record remotely with this remote control. And that's all for the box. And as you saw, my device came with a gray body, the gray housing, but in the picture I saw there was a pink cover or pink body included, and here it is. They didn't forget it. It's right there, so if you give that to your girlfriend or you like the pink, you have this nice pink case, pink cover. There we go. Here, which have those magnetic ring here, so it can stick to a metal and it will protect your screen. So the pink screen cover is included. And of course, once everything is installed, you put the cover on the monitor and everything looks nice. Before the first use, as usual, don't forget to fully charge the device, because from factory it's usually charged 50%. So now we are going to fully charge it before using it. All right, here it is. You saw the box contents. You saw a little bit how this monitor looks like. But let's start by why do you need it? Well, in my case, and maybe for you it's the same, when I film using my phone, usually, this is the setup I have. All the phones out there, of course, have a screen here that you can use in selfie mode. That way you can see yourself when you film yourself easily. But there is only one issue, which could be important for some people, which is the fact that the front camera, the camera that allows you to do a selfie, have limitation. For example, my Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus cannot record at higher resolution than 1080 for 30 frames a second. So that's my limitation if I want to see myself using the phone screen. Otherwise, the front camera have 4K up to 60 frames a second, which is much better. But the problem, of course, if I use the front camera, I cannot see myself, I cannot monitor myself to be sure that I'm framed correctly, etc. So, to remedy to this issue, that's why I got this monitor. Now, all I have to do is mount this monitor like so on my camera system, and then I will be able to use the full potential of my phone while being able to monitor myself as well. So that's pretty useful, and I'm sure you guys will find it useful for the way you use your filming equipment as well. So there we go. Let's set it up and see how it looks like. All right, time to set up the monitor with the phone. First, let's power up the monitor. Power button on the side here. You press and hold for a few seconds, and then the monitor will boot up. There we go. Right at boot, it will ask you to scan the QR code to connect it to your Wi-Fi, so that's fast. Or you can also check here the login information to search for the network directly on your phone. And of course, once it's done, we are going to turn on the screen mirroring, or if your phone is called that wireless project, you turn that on to mirror the screen from your phone to this monitor. Anyway, for now, I'm going to set up that on my phone. We're going to scan the QR code here. There we go. Now we're going to connect here to the screen. It tells you that it's connected without internet, of course. That's normal because this is just a screen. It does not have internet, so when you connect it to it, you basically gave up your Wi-Fi to connect to the screen and your phone will not receive any notification. There we go. We are mirroring the phone right now. Perfect. So, of course, it does not have an accelerometer, so if you want to flip the screen, you have to press the flip button on the side here. And here we go. Now we have a better view of the screen. So whatever I do on my phone here, you will see it will be mirrored on this monitor. So that's perfect. Now it's connected. Another good functionality also of this monitor is that it can record here everything that it sees. So you just press the record button. And here we go. Now it's recording. Here we have the time code. And now everything you do in the screen is going to be recorded. So we stop the video now. And we're going to playback it. And here we go. Now we are playbacking. We are playing back, I should say, the video. With like YouTube, you have like a little progress bar in the bottom that show you instead where you are on the video, and that's finished. All right, all set up, all connected. That's how it works. Easy peasy. And of course, another good advantage is that I can go away from my phone and I will still be able to stream whatever the phone sees on the screen. So that could be useful for some of you who don't necessarily need this TV, this monitor next to their phone to monitor themselves, but maybe you want to put the phone somewhere and monitor something else from a distance. It's possible with this device. Oh, you're back. Yes, talking about the monitor, here we go. So now you know everything about this nice portable monitor from Shimball. I really recommend it for you if you have the same use that I do. That way you can monitor yourself while using the full potential of your cell phone. If, like me, you are limited on the video resolution from the selfie camera, from the front of the phone. In any case, thanks for watching. Hope this video has been useful. And now you know a little bit more about this little trick with the selfie monitor. Anyway, thanks again for watching, and I will see you next time. Here we go. Il faut que je regarde la caméra. Shimball CP5 monitor. Shimball CP5 de Selfie. Okay. But why do you need it? Boom, boom. With a selfie monitor. and the plane passing.